Ever feel overwhelmed choosing colors, furniture, or decor for your space? What if I told you the perfect starting point is already under your feet? Yes, In today's video, I'll show you how to build a stunning mood board for your home, all by starting with one simple element, your favorite rug. Whether it's bold and patterned, soft and neutral, or rich in texture, your rug holds the key to your dream interior. Step 1. Let the rug lead the way. First things first, take a good look at your rug. Is it modern and minimal? Warm and traditional? What colors stand out? What textures pop? Think of your rug like the foundation of your home's personality. Once you understand its vibe, the rest falls into place. Colors, tones, materials, even mood. Step 2. Pull out a color palette. Now grab a piece of paper or open a mood board app. Pull 3 to 5 colors from your rug. The dominant shade, a few accents, and maybe a bold contrast. This is your color DNA. Use it to guide your choice of paint, cushions, curtains, and even wall art. A rug with warm browns and creams? Think earth tones, wood accents, and natural textures. Something bright and graphic? Lean into vibrant tones and modern shapes. Step 3. Add materials and textures. Next, let's layer in texture. Is your rug plush and cozy? Maybe go with chunky knits, velvets, or matte finishes. Is it sleek and flat woven? Bring in glass, metals, and smooth surfaces. Texture creates mood, and your rug already sets the tone. Step 4. Choose furniture and decor that echo the style. Now you're ready to pick out furniture and decor. Here's the trick: don't match everything, but coordinate. A vintage Oriental rug pairs beautifully with mid-century modern furniture. A Moroccan flat weave works great with boho baskets, rattan, and linen. Let your rug suggest the theme, not dictate it. Step 5. Finalize with accent pieces. Finally, add accent pieces, candles, vases, lamps, throws, in the secondary or highlight colors from your mood board. This ties the whole room together without overwhelming the space. Even a few well-placed pieces can make your home feel styled, curated, and personal. Why this works so well? Starting with a rug works because it gives your space immediate identity. It's grounded, literally, and everything else builds upward from it. No more mismatched furniture. No more guessing at wall colors. Just one strong visual anchor that guides your decisions. Your turn to design. So if you're feeling stuck with your home design, don't start with Pinterest or paint chips. Start with your rug. Build from the ground up and watch your home come to life. Let me know in the comments what rug you're using as your starting point. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a fellow design lover.